Namaste everyone, my name is Eesha. I'm a yoga trainer with the Sri School of Yoga, and today we are going to do a session on sleep. We all know how important sleep is. It is during sleep that the system detoxifies itself, digestion happens, and also good sleep ensures that your immune system is good. However, in today's times, in the rushed lifestyle that we have, we tend to ignore sleep, we tend to compromise on our sleep, or sometimes we struggle to sleep because our mind is so active. So what we are going to do today is a gentle practice. We'll do a few gentle asana, and in the end, I'll teach you a pranayama that will help you to relax your nervous system, calm down your nervous system, and hence will improve your sleep. So let's begin by chanting Om 3 times. Eyes closed. Hands are on your knees, palms are facing up. Breathe in for Om. Gently, you may open your eyes. Now let's begin with the asana. Let's sit on the knees. If you want for support, you can also keep cushions under your knees. From here, let's push forward. We'll bend forward from the base of the spine. Take a breath in, lengthen the spine. And as you breathe out, push from the base of your spine. Push your chest towards the thighs. Forehead on the mat if you can. If not, just make fists of both the hands. Place your forehead on top. Or stretch your arms to the front. And relax in the child's pose. Shishurasana. Long and deep breaths in and out. And slowly come up. Now let's lie down. So today's theme is sleep. So everything, all the asanas that we are going to do, they are very relaxing. Lie down on the back. Join your feet together in Namaste. So your legs are going to both the sides. If your lower back is coming up, push your lower back gently. Push the knees to the sides. And relax in Supta Baddha Konasana. It's okay if your legs are not going all the way down. You can keep them up. Even if they're up, it's okay. Just relax in the asana. And slowly bring the legs up. Feet are on the mat. Now lift the feet up. Hold the big toes. Move the feet away. Keep your legs bent. Ananda Balasana. Ananda Balasana, the happy baby pose. So let's be here like a happy baby with a nice gentle smile, like a happy baby in the moment, like a happy baby in the moment. And slowly start moving your body right to left, left to right, very gently. And relax. We'll do one more asana, Vipareet Karani. So for this, you need to have a wall. You can do this against a wall. For Vipareet Karani, find a wall near you. Make sure that your buttocks are touching the wall. Slowly lie down on the back. And one by one, straighten your legs. If you feel that there's some distance between your buttocks and the wall, adjust yourself. And keep lying down for a few breaths in and out. You can relax your arms. And slowly bend your legs, move them to one side, and you may slowly sit up. And with a nice smile on your face, slowly and gently, you may open your eyes. How was it? So this is a short sequence that you can practice before your bedtime. This will help you to sleep easily and also improve your sleep quality. If you really enjoyed this video, like the video, share it with people, and subscribe to the Sri Sri School of Yoga YouTube channel. Namaste.